Get ready to cringe. I'm going to show you some of the early videos I did.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay, and you knew that already. And it's good to have you around the trailer hood. Beautiful day here, too, by the way. Sun's shining, a little cold, and I've been working on some projects around the house because a few things aren't working right now, and I'm trying to remedy that. But somebody said to me the other day, they left me a message and said that they enjoyed the channel and said that they thought the videos were getting a lot better than they used to be. And that got me thinking. I thought to myself, because that's me, what did these videos look like before? So I went back and looked, and it's pretty cringeworthy. So I thought I'd share just a few of these with you. Yeah, they speak for themselves. I would call them craptastic.
If a tree falls in the forest, you should probably get out of there. It's not safe. Go home. Go home now. The problem with spring is that all this stuff from the trees falls on my car. This is how an old guy takes care of that. They say it's better to have loved and lost than to never loved at all. Unless that love gave you herpes, then that's just bad. They say if you want something done right, you do it yourself. Unless you need heart surgery, let the doctors do that.
Oh jeez, look at the peanuts. Oh my goodness. Look, oh yeah, I got two. I get three. I get three. I know there's three. I can get three. I just get the, oh son of a, and I gotta put, now, I can get three. Oh, son of a! Screw it, I got two.
And then it just got weird. We've done all kinds of stuff here, from dumpster divings to rebuilding mobile homes to just utter foolishness. And I've had some help along the way, too. That's the scary thing, you know. But, hey, I'm just like every other person on YouTube trying to figure out what I'm doing here and what direction I'm going. And we've got a pretty good direction here now. I do a lot of the unboxings and some old guy stuff, and that's what it is. It's the Old Guy Network. It's a channel for older folks, and the one major drawback to having a YouTube channel for older folks is, well, they don't know what a like button is or sharing the video. They haven't got the concept of sharing a video. They will actually text me and say, text me on my cell phone and say, hey, I really like the video. I think other people should see this. But that's as far as they go. They don't understand that you just click the share button and you can put it on your own social media, right? I was going to say on your own YouTube channel, but you know, well, you could, I guess. But you could put it on your Facebook, your Twitter, the Instagram crackers, or whatever the heck that is. Yeah, you can put them on whatever. You know, tweet this out. You know, it'd be great. But that is the drawback. Even my friends, I mean, I'm not quite 60 years old yet, and a lot of my friends are my age and a little bit older. They just don't get it. And they tell me they like the videos that I do, especially the unboxings and the little projects that I do on here, and they say that they're helpful. But yeah, you got to hit that like button. Just, you know, just it's right there, and subscribe to the channel. And I do have I think I've got over 360 subscribers now. I really count the time that I started this channel with the unboxing I did on my table saw, and that was about 10 months ago, almost 11 months ago. And so I'm not quite a year yet. I'd like to get more subscribers. My goal is at least 1,000. That would be nice. But I hope you enjoyed these videos that I've been doing. If not, tell me why. Or, you know, leave a comment. Tell me what direction you think I should go. Just, you know, keep it nice. Be good. You know, with all the crap that's going on in the world right now, especially in our very own country, let's be civil. Just do the best we can, okay? And thanks again. I really appreciate everybody who watches this channel and watches these videos. And if you have any suggestions of other videos I could do, hey, let me know. So thanks again for hanging out at the trailer hood with me. I really appreciate it. For the Old Guy Network, I'm the OG, and I'm out.